Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I will show you how to download the Major League Baseball app on an iPhone.
But before I begin, please allow me to give a quick 10-second shout out to my merch store. I work with different artists to create cool and original fan art. I sell clothes, pillows, and many different accessories. Please check out my store to support the channel and the artists I work with. You can find the link to my store on the top of the comment section or the description of this video. Thanks. You can now get back to your video.
We'll begin by finding the Apple Store app, which is this right here. I'll tap on that to open it. Once here, look on the bottom right hand corner, tap on where it says search, and it should take you to your search page like this. Right underneath where it says search, there's this field where you can type in the app that you're looking for. So I'll tap on that and start typing MLB app. And it's this option right here. Okay, it's the very first app right here. So I'll click on that. All right. And once you get here, do you see where it says get? Tap on that. And then it's just asking me to confirm if I want to download the app. Yours might be different if you have an iPhone that's less than I think 10. But just follow whatever instructions that pop up for you. So mine's telling me to double click to install. There you go. So I double clicked it and then it used my official ID to install. This here is the progress bar. So as you can see, it's almost halfway downloading. All right. Once you has completely downloaded the app, you change here and you say open. So I want to tap on open. There. Once you download it, it will look like this. All right. That's how you download the app. And I'll just click on skip. And then it's just asking you to add your teams. I'm gonna go with the Atlanta Braves, and then set as my favorite team. And you can choose multiple favorite teams. Okay. So once you have selected your teams, click on where it says next, and then it's asking you what type of notifications do you want to receive from your teams. So select whichever one you prefer, and then look on the upper right hand corner. Click on where it says next. And then would you like to send you or MLB would like to send you notifications? And then just click on either don't allow or allow. If you want the notifications, just click on allow. All right. This is how you download the app. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And like the video if you like it, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. Thank you for watching.